What is good? What is good? What is good? What's up, y'all? It's your boy Broadway J here with Kicks and Beats, and I got a crazy one for you today for the unboxing. You know those 700 V3 Arzareths come through next Saturday on the 29th, you know? Today's Monday, a couple days away, but I already got it here for y'all to check out. So before this must cop happens on Saturday, I think I'm just gonna let you guys see the must cop right now. Shout out to StockX, even though I usually don't mess with these guys, but the reason for that being during COVID season, they've been doing a terrible job when it comes to shipping. Like, I remember when it came to the 14 Turbos, I purchased those off of StockX 3 weeks before the drop. You know when they shipped it to me? A day before release date. That's why you guys ended up getting it like close to the release date. But I have the Arzareth right here for you guys. I had to do what I had to do to get it for y'all. So, and for myself, of course, because I love this colorway. So. Let's get into it real quick, man. Let's get into it. Okay. I guess this is what they use for the shipping to pack it up and whatnot. But just so you guys can see, I really did get it off StockX. I just wanted to make sure my personal information is not here. Oh, my info's right there. But look. And you know what's crazy? Look at that price. I've seen people paying like $1,000, $1,200. Look at that. That's why I always tell people, even though something is really pricey, sometimes just give a bidding price that's a lot lower. You never know if the seller is gonna accept. But anyways, let's take a look, man. Take a look. Boom. Took a size 11. Whatever your true to size is, go half a size up. You guys would definitely want to do that. You're gonna want to go half a size up. Ooh! No way, bro. These look a lot more fire than I expected. Hey, nah, this is... Yo, check it out, yo. Check out the... Oof! Check out the Arzareth. Check it out. I'm loving it. This right here seems to be like the same color, just about, that they used for the original Azael, right here, where the mudguard material is. Okay. Oh man, this is beautiful. This is like that same blue Kanye West likes to use often with all his stuff. Close up. Let's get it popping with the close up real quick. Check that out. Oof. They switched it up when it comes to the colors down here. I like it. It looks nice. Kind of reminds me of when like a clear midsole is starting to age and whatnot. Not that super like, that super yellow appearance, but it looks like it's starting to get there, whatnot. These are yellow once again, just like what they did with the Alva drop, the Alva release. White midsole, that's pretty cool. Oof. Oof. Oof, I'm sorry guys, I'm so excited right now. These are beautiful. This is, for those who don't know, this is my #1 favorite silhouette when it comes to Yeezy brand. Definitely #1. Let's check out the inside. Just want to make sure you guys get good details on this shoe. Can't really pull it out too much. You know what I mean? Size 11. My true to size is 10.5. That's why I took an 11. Oh, I didn't even notice. Bungee cord. Bungee cord lacing system? I didn't even know that. Oh, that's crazy. I never realized in the photographs and whatnot. Oh, that's cool. Not for nothing, but I'm a big fan of the lacing system, this bungee cord lacing system. I wonder, what if I move this to the side? What happens? Okay, so you can slide the rubber piece out. This is how it'll look like on the inside, see? Okay. Yeah, that's stitched in there. It's not going nowhere. I'm sorry y'all, but this is such an exciting moment for me. I think I'm about to put this on foot already and just show you that on feet review. Let's get to it. Alright y'all, so you already know what time it is. It's time to wrap up the video. You know where you've seen the Arzareth up close and personal on foot review for the first time. Right over here on Kicks and Beats, hosted by your boy Broadway J. Now, for the people that are new at the channel who's seeing this for the first time, please hit subscribe. You guys got no idea what's about to come up in the future. First giveaway starts at 500 subscribers, and I aim to be the most charitable on YouTube, but I can't do it without the help of you guys. So you already know what time it is. Let your peoples know, let your friends know. I need those subscriptions. Click like, and stay tuned for the next video. Should be crazy. Also, when it comes to the giveaways, just to let y'all know, giveaways include sneakers, clothing, free instrumentals, and music equipment. But the free instrumentals and the music equipment, I'm only going to be giving it away to the winners who deal with music. You know, if you're not an artist of any sort, if you're not an engineer, you don't deal with music in any way, I'll just be sending you guys sneakers along with outfits that match with the pair of sneakers you guys receive. So you already know what time it is. And let me know in the comment section what you think. Is this a cop or is this a drop? But I got a feeling I know what everyone's about to say. So you know what time it is. Your boy Broadway J, thanks for tuning in. Peace.